Okay, man, what I'm gonna show you now is how to, or what I was doing here, right? I was working with some software here. I can choose here. Finally I made an interface just to record all the audios. Um, Gather the right information and then make a prompt, and a specific prompt just to pass or to copy and paste it in the Dixit version 3.1, and it works awesome, man. I was trying to evaluate my audio, intonation, repetition, accent, and all of this stuff with whisper and a specific code, and it was fucking crazy because it was really hard. Let's say that ChatGPT or OpenAI doesn't have this capability of its own, so I started to look different ways to do it, and I tried to make it simple. Like you say, I was using a lot of code, right, to do this thing, but at the end of the day, I didn't need to do too much, so I tried to make it simple. Still, it doesn't look too simple, but I think it's gonna work. So what we have here is the task type, right? This is the interface that I created. What we have here are the 8 tasks from the CELPIP speaking test. This is the request requirement for the task, what they are asking for. Start recording, uploaded files. I can always, I need to allow the audio here, update that. So I got the audios. Giving or write or paste the task requirements. So I was working one that says, it is the first time your friend is cooking. Give him advice how to cook. Yeah, just by himself. So let's do this simple. And then I have here all the uploaded files. I have a button to be able to delete or download. Here we will get the transcript, and here the Dixit evaluation prompt. And then with a iframe, I just use a code or a link from my artificial intelligence tools, just to work on the same screen, right? I can choose many things here. I had a custom box, but at the end I decided not to use this custom box, as this tool is awesome and it's better. I mean, this is the best artificial intelligence to do this kind of evaluation. So I'm gonna show you how can we do that. So let's start recording. Okay, 1 second, 2 seconds, yeah. Let's stop that just to check what happened. The thing shows the transcript. Okay, 1 second, yeah, let's stop that. And it shows me this CELPIP speaking task according to the official scoring test. So this is the prompt that I created before, the best that I could find and I could think about how to evaluate this test. And then I will copy the prompt and I will paste it here. But let's do an example, a complete example of that, right? So, and here, if I go here, I'm gonna show you. I can go to my documents, Canada, claim sales benefit, migration, CELPIP preparation, speaking coach. There is a fucking things around here. Training data upload. So all the answers will be uploaded here in this specific file, right? So let's left this here for now. Okay, so let's do an example. It is the first time your friend is cooking. Give him advice how to cook by himself. Okay. Hey Fran, how's it going? I am excited and thrilled actually to learn that you're getting into the world of cooking. It's an exciting journey, but full of pitfalls, as you can imagine. I know that's why you contact me. Look, there are a bunch of things you can do. Firstly, there is a plethora of information, needless to say, for free on YouTube that you can use to your advantage. There are videos on every cuisine from every culture that will perfect your cooking skills. No matter how novice you are at this game, it will do it. Secondly, if you want to buy it or borrow my cooking recipe book, you can do it. I will sell it. I will sell it to you. No problem, man. Yeah, this is why I am famous for the food and catering service I provide. Yeah, I'll give you a discount too if you are nice to me. I mean, just kidding. So let's go to the third and final suggestion I got for you. Learn from your mom. Moms are awesome. Your mom, and especially your mom, is an excellent cooker. I came last week and she fed me this amazing bird chicken that was just out of this world. Her skills are top notch. Yeah, so if you want an impeccable cooking journey, please listen to my advices and let me know what you think. See you later. Okay, yeah. So here is the transcript. This is the task, this is the transcript, and this is the Dixit evaluation prompt. What happened is that there are some specific ways that you can load or upload audios to the system. So I am using this tool here to the right, that is a Bocaro website. So you put upload one. So I go here. I cannot move this back. Anyway, I go here and I took the response right now. I have in the right, probably you cannot see that, but this is the audio that was loaded to this section right here, right? This is the last audio. It upload that.
I strongly agree with the husband because I believe buying a cat is much easier for the couple to take.
And I upload the incorrect audio, right? So what I need to do now is check it here against documents, Canada, migration, CELPIP preparation, speaking codes, all that. So, oh, okay, that's not the one. Okay, 1 second. Hey, Frank, this is the one. So it's in the lower side, right? And probably this is the audio for that one. Okay. 2025 0420. Okay, yeah, good. So now you need to have clear or make it clear where do you have the answers, right? Okay, I loaded that audio to Bocaro. It should be really quickly.
Hey Fran.
Yeah, that's the audio. So I put here embed code, copy embed code, and that's all, man. So for now, what I'm gonna do is copy the prompt, use copy. I paste it not here. That let me check something because I was working here and it was 331, but there is something that I am missing now, and is the okay, it's here. Is the bug that I already trained for that CELPIP dig evaluator. Fuck man. Yeah, okay. I put it here. Yeah, I know it doesn't sound very simple, but this is the bug that I upload all the information. So I paste the prompt here, the prompt that was already done. I paste the Vocaro link here, right? So what I do is go here, embed, copy embed code, I return here, and I paste that audio, and I go enter. And now the fucking thing is going to evaluate all the word or the audio. It seems a little bit complicated and longer, but after you have done that a couple of times, you will do that very, very quickly. So content coherence. So strength, task fulfillment provides free suggestions, online video, receipt book, learning for none. Okay, these are the strengths. You can read it. Yeah, man's better chicken, areas for improvement. Some phrases are unclear. Word of cooking, letter of information, pregnant instead of prepared. Oh man. Logical flow just jumps between ideas abruptly. Suggestions follow the level 9 template from the select pack. Okay, he give us some suggestions, vocabulary. So the strengths of my vocabulary tends advanced terms like top notch, plethora, yeah, it's useful, contextual use, cooking related word, recipe book, perfect your skills, accuracy. Okay, the words that I haven't pronounced well. And the suggestions, yeah, malprex, so similar. Okay, use idioms naturally. Cooking is a piece of cake with these steps. Listenability, natural rhythm, enthusiastic tone, express excitement, trail, top notch. Again, areas for improvement. Suggestions, shadow level 12, study back to refine enunciation. And grammar. Attempts to coordinate clauses, no matter how nice you are at this game. Yeah, tense is mostly correct. Past, present times, she prepared. Areas for improvement and suggestions. Okay, that's the final qualification or score. Estimated CELPIP level 7. Well, breakdown, content and coherence, logical but unclear phrases, errors, limits precision, good reading back pronunciation issues, errors affect clarity. The rigs level 9, reviews script, level 9 example, so I will need to do that. Yeah, just to practice and practice using Speaking Pro Target 9 study pack. That was the pack that I uploaded to the software. And yeah, man, that's all. That's what I are doing here. And here, the system will show us all our audios and transcripts.